Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover with Starbucks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by finding a local Starbucks store. Visit the Starbucks website or make sure to check the store hours to ensure they are open. Gather your essentials such as your Starbucks card or app for rewards and payment options. Create a recovery plan by setting a schedule for your visits. Decide how often you want to go, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Consider a specific time of day, such as mornings for a caffeine boost or afternoons for a snack. Choose a comfortable spot in the store to enjoy your drink and relax. Once at Starbucks, approach the counter confidently. Review the menu and think about your drink order. If you are not sure what to choose, ask the barista for recommendations. Order a drink that appeals to you, such as a classic coffee, a seasonal beverage, or a refreshing iced tea. If it's your first time, consider ordering a smaller size to start. While waiting for your drink, take in the atmosphere of the store. Find a seat that you feel comfortable in, preferably near a window or in a cozy corner. Once you receive your drink, take a moment to appreciate the aroma and presentation. Start to sip your drink slowly, allowing yourself to savor the taste. Use this time to relax and unwind from your day. Consider bringing a book or journal to enhance your relaxation experience. If you're working on recovery, take a few moments to reflect on your goals. Connect with the environment around you, noticing how you feel. Engage in conversations with friends if you're visiting with someone. If you're alone, focus on your thoughts and enjoy the ambience. Use your time there to develop new strategies for your recovery process. Explore new tasks or activities you can incorporate into your routine. Consider setting positive affirmations to reinforce your goals. Remember, this space is yours to enjoy, and there is no rush. As you finish your drink, take a moment to appreciate the experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.